we're putting a charge in yard work. Introducing the all-new, fully electric Cub Cadet 60-volt max system. The type of tools you've seen before, with electrifying advantages you haven't. No gas, oil, or fuel storage means less maintenance and more time enjoying what your yard was meant for. Hooks and folding capabilities make for easy wall storage and less hassle. Plus, handle grips for enhanced operator comfort. All products feature a lightweight design with and without the battery. When it comes to power, there's no compromise. Our lithium-ion batteries are swappable across the full system for ultimate versatility. And the full suite of products is backed by a 3-year full machine warranty and a strong 4-year battery warranty. The lithium-ion battery also eliminates power fade for the duration of its charge, while the high-efficiency brushless motor optimizes performance. And the easy and reliable push-button start means you've pulled your last cord. Significantly quieter operation than gas means you can work at dawn or dusk without disrupting the neighbors. Cleaner operation from the equipment's power source makes for a cleaner conscience. And a recharge time under 2.5 hours means you can work on your schedule, no waiting overnight. The 60-volt max cordless signature cut walk-behind mower gives you everything you need in a walk-behind, and then some. Its 5.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery provides solid coverage on a single charge with no power fade and an onboard battery storage bay for convenience. Plus 3-in-1 capability for a premium cut every time. Minimal flex steel handles fold for no-hassle vertical storage. Plus premium steel ball bearings on all 4 wheels for easy pushing and improved maneuverability, and high rubber rear wheels built to handle uneven terrain. Powered by a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the 60-volt max cordless string trimmer will get the job done on a single charge. Featuring a 2-speed trigger you can kick up for thick weeds or turn down to extend runtime. And a 15-inch cutting swath with easily replaceable lines. Powered by a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the 60-volt max cordless hedge trimmer provides plenty of runtime. A power saw tip for thick branches and 24-inch dual-action laser-cut steel blades with 3/4-inch cutting capacity. Plus a full bale handle that maximizes maneuverability and reduces vibration. Powered by a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, the 60-volt max cordless leaf blower delivers the performance you need on a single charge. Its variable speed enhances power and extends runtime, while the cruise control lever maintains consistent speed during use, all with an axial fan delivering plenty of power. Lastly, the 60-volt max cordless chainsaw is powered by a 2.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery and is a peak performer on a single charge. Featuring a low kickback 16-inch bar and chain engineered to improve control and stability, bubble level for precision, and auto oiling and toolless chain tensioning for quick and easy maintenance and adjustments. Love to lawn with the all-new, fully electric Cub Cadet 60-volt max series. Backed by a limited 3-year tool warranty and a strong 4-year battery warranty. More power for your world.